we are going to the museum and the Jacquemus store. Come home to eat and explore around.
That guy's strong.
So let's do it. We are now walking along the La Rivière Seine. Sing it. La Cuifa. La Cuifa. You know what that means?
What?
Tristan doesn't know what a La Cuifa means.
Yikes. I thought that was a lady's name that's a musical artist.
It's
Latifah.
Latifah. What does that mean? Queen Latifah.
I don't want to talk about this.
What is Freya talking about?
Tristan doesn't know what La Cuifa means. I don't think that does either.
There is no thing as... Is that French or something? La Cuifa.
Dad doesn't know either.
There's no such thing as...
Say it. Don't say it.
La Cuifa. Is it something we should know about? No.
Wait, is that what that actually means?
It's
Turn
just...
the camera off, genius dong.
I actually don't even know what it means.
Here, You're turning it into a Spanish word by saying La Cuifa.
Shut up.
You said the queef in Spanish. The queef. That's
all
what you
of
said. That's what you
Can't we
said.
just walk along the Rivière Seine and look at the UNESCO heritage site?
We are, but as we're talking.
No, we have to talk about this.
La Cuifa.
And you added A at the end of it too.
La Cuifa.
It's feminine.
Shut up.
Cuifa. You gotta like look like a minotaur. Dad, you need more grimace. You need to look more into the sky. Take your glasses off. Take your glasses
Take
off.
my glasses off too, Tristan.
Yeah.
You need to look like you've accepted your fate. But like with a little malice.
Alrighty. We should just go around and reenact statues. Tristan has chosen his statue.
Got a fist. That, your right arm tucked in a little. There you go. Stare off.
Go be the thing in his armpit.
Stare deeply with a mad face. Look angry. Yeah.
Wired bamboo.
Tell me what this is used for.
Tree guard to protect the bark from being damaged, either vandalism or animals chewing it off.
Between this and this one.
Yes. And then and go up. Yes, perfect.
I want that baby topped off, okay?
Okay.
Full to the brim.
So good.
Our little friend.
I want to be in your video.
Yes, please. This is our amazing friend. She's been helping us.
Thank you. And what's your name? Ramona.
It's the real art.
So this is all of my feelings as a mother after New York Fashion Week. Now if we move on to the next piece of art, it's really like the perfect depiction of mother's mood after Paris Fashion Week.
This is me. Just chilling on the rock.
This is me. ass has been kicked.
Stop. This is killed my mother.
Wait a minute.
Mom.
Bestie's in here too. Oh look, and then here's
Had a little fight with mother. Everybody ended up dying.
resting now.
And now
Look, we're a little bloody, but we're not dead. We're just resting.
They're resting. They had a little fist fight. But Corea's up here eating her fruit, watching Mom kick A because Mom has unleashed the beast because the beast has been cracked. The Kraken is coming. You don't cross lines with moms.
It's true. It's true.
Okay, we're crossing. Where are we going?
To the river!
Okay, where's the river?
Right there. You guys,
That was fun.
don't kill us, motorcycles. Bonjour!
Ooh,
Our family.
what we're doing? We're gonna go explore Paris.
She follows along what Correa plans. We're going to go.
It still has to happen.
Going to Montmartre.
Montmartre.
We're getting frog legs.
Frog legs.
We are going to the bookstore and the Sacre-Coeur or something like that. It's like a castle kind of, sort of. Wow.
Amen.
It is the official unboxing of Jacquemus. The other day, we went to the flagship store in Paris here, and we got a official new lovely bag added to the collection. Oh, the bag. It smells like leather. Oh. This is Jacquemus. Her name will be... That is yet to be determined. It needs to be meaningful before I give her a name. We have the official bag name. Her name is Mousse. Like the mousse dessert, like the mousse, the color, like Jacquemus. We have mousse. So this tree was planted in the 1600s. It's the oldest tree in Paris. That dog is not having it.
You have to hop. Come on. Now do something else. Get on top of the thing. Get on top. I'll say you guys back for this for sure. 7 and 7. The ball. That's cool. Ball.
Here's the frog legs. What's in here?
Yes. in cream. Snails and cream.
And they're bringing us out our baguette fresh from the bakery.
Frog legs.
How is it?
Very tender. More tender than chicken.
Good.
Or you could put the whole thing in your mouth and just chew the meat off the bones and spit the bones out. Just let the whole thing go in. Whole thing. Just chew it off the bone. There you go. There you go. Right there.
It does taste like chicken.
Yeah. A little piece right there. Bite it off the bone.
You gonna try a snail now?
Chew all that off. Snail.
That's good.
Try the snail.
I tried snail.
Cream's good. And cream's on. It's just like it's slightly chewy, and then like a little not chewy at the same time, tender, and then combined with the flavor, it's like okay. This one's not quite as good as the ones I had.
Okay, my
with
arms are
Ashlyn.
gonna fall off. Any reviews here? It's like chewy, and if you think about what you're eating, it's gross. But other than that, it's good.
Why? Because of the cream and flavor. Sounds like that bird on Little Mermaid. It's trying to sing and romantic music.
We got everybody behind us looking.
What the heck?
We're just trying to rescue this pigeon and take the hairs off of its feet. And it does not like us.
Tell us your tips, Dad, on how to win in a fight.
You look like if you're naked and aggressive.
So here's the thing.
Show us your
If
like
you're
aggressive
approached on the
insane
street
face.
by, say, a couple guys that you know you can't take, and you know you can't get away, you have to strip naked, act insane, and come after them.
Okay,
and
show us.
they'll
So
freak,
Without stripping
they will
naked.
freak out, and they'll just want none of it.
Okay, pretend me and Claire are the two men, and we're walking towards you, and we for sure are gonna get you. So come over here, Claire. You have to walk towards.
You would come at us.
You fought tired me, bro.
I would run away from that. I was about to do the same thing.
Should I do a handstand right here?
I'm gonna do a handstand.
It's like my crack.
Tristan's too thick. Lean forward.
She nasty. She nasty, bro. Nah, she nasty. She's so nasty.
It smells like Subway. Bruh. It smells like Subway.
It's there.
Go video them and say, is this place #1, Sissy? Congratulations on being #1.
We should wave.
Oh, pardon.
He said, oh, over here, over here. Look, Mom's right there. No, no. Oh my gosh.
Keep on fighting to the end. We are the champions. We are the champions.
None.